Google is set to launch the Pixel 7, a smartphone, during the Google I/O 2023 conference. The phone is expected to be available immediately after the May 10 announcement, with an estimated cost of $499. The Pixel 7 is expected to receive incremental changes to its design while upgrading its hardware and software. One key upgrade is the inclusion of a face unlock feature, which was missing in its predecessor, the Pixel 6a. The Pixel 7 is expected to have an AI-based facial recognition system to unlock the phone, offering improved user convenience. The Pixel 7 smartphone is rumored to have a flat display with a hole punch cutout at the top center and thicker bezels. The phone will offer face unlock and an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The device is expected to feature a 6.1-inch OLED panel with full HD+ resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by Google's Tensor G2 SoC and come with up to 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The Pixel 7 is rumored to come with a dual camera setup on the back, featuring a new 64MP primary camera and a 13MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. For front-facing photos and video calls, the phone will likely have an updated 12MP sensor. Notable features of the phone include 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi 6, wireless charging, Android 13 pre-installed, and the promise of receiving 3 future Android version updates. The phone is expected to have a large 4,500 mAh battery with support for 18W charging.